All right, we're over here in Altamont. We got the truck loaded up on the trailer. He was nice enough to load it. I got his money right here, so he's going to get the title. And here it is. We've made it. We've got it on the trailer, so now we're just waiting on him to come out and get him paid up. Okay, well, we've made it to Walmart and managed to get here because of this little issue right here. Yes, had to ride that sucker on the tire to pick this truck up, but hopefully this jack and this rim, I'm gonna pray that this bolt pattern right here is gonna be the same as that one. If not, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So, changing tire time. Here she is, out here in the sunlight the next day. We can kind of see how it looks. Okay. We got the Oilers playing on the radio there. Yeah. Okay, got a little rodent problem. Nothing a little vacuum cleaner won't do, but it's a V8, so that's the main thing. So that's what we got, guys. How she fires up. She's running. Well, alright, that's it for this video on the 91 Chevrolet Silverado that I purchased for our next project truck. Tell me what you think below in the comments on the choice of truck that I've chosen. And if you have any questions, comments, or any ideas of what you think will make this truck even cooler as a street truck, be sure to leave them and I'll sure enough go over it and see what I think. I've already got some things in my mind that I want to make this truck turn out to be. Wheels, suspension kit, color scheme, and what I'd like to do to the interior. But hit that subscribe and like button so that you can follow along in our playlist on this 1991 OBS Chevrolet build. Now we're going to be doing all these videos on step-by-step on everything that I do to the truck from start as of what you see right now till the finished product. So go ahead, subscribe, join the 1194 video family, and I'll check you out on the next video.